Okay, so how far I have to my portion, which I'm filming for the last 4 days. Let's see how many minutes of running we need to come there. I think that I should come there in less than 5 minutes. Did you see a huge wasp nest hole dug from the bear? Wow! Here is the highest bear population in the whole Europe, maybe also in the world. Now we will come to the better hole. This was bird, Srakuper. Here the badger is living. See, freshly dug hole. And now we go to the swamp area where nobody is picking up the mushrooms. See, there is my fruit plantation and greenhouse. Okay. Oh, what shit! Oh my god! I fell to the hole, exactly to the hole where the stream is going. Oh my god! Fucking hell! 2 times to the hole. Shit! I never fall here, but now when I'm running, it's totally different. You know? Okay, we are here. This was quite fast. Maybe less than 5 minutes. You see, this grows now for the 5th day already. Okay, let me show you another wonderful mushroom, and then that will be it for today. The autumn is here, winter is slowly coming. Just look at this magnificent art of nature. See how huge it is. 25 centimeters. Well, for today, stay healthy, take care of yourself, and remember, happiness in life is not what you can take, It's what you can create, learn, appreciate. Bye bye.